Everyone, my name is Halimah Zahra and you guys can call me Zahra. And in these minutes, I want to tell you guys a little bit story of my life to complicate my task. So check it out. Hello everyone, my name is Halimah Zahra and you guys can call me Zahra. I'm from South Tangerang. I was born on 13th of March 2004. Actually, it's been almost 10 years I live in my current home, but I spent 7 years in Mantingan. By the way, I live in Bukit Pamulang Indah and the abbreviation is BPI. So, many relatives dubbed by Banjir Paling Indah. I thought that was right because my neighborhood is full often. I have a few families such as my parents, my two sisters, and my sister husbands, and almost forgot that I have one nephew. His name is Galbi. I prank him a lot because this is the first time that I have a little boy in my life. I have learned at Darussalam Gontor University for only 1 year in informatic engineering. But in my university, there are so many rules, so many. And maybe this way that my university teach me some education. I gain a nature of discipline and a politeness. And because of Gontor, I can speak Arabic and English language. Maybe this is my path to reach the success and gain a dedication to be an ambidextrous person. I have chosen Gontor as a path to seek my knowledge because the advantage of Gontor have a good company and the best boarding, which is the best in Arabic lessons. In the next chapter, I want to tell you something about what I'm interested to. I'm interested in sports and arts, such as swimming, playing music, keyboard and guitar, and playing badminton, dancing, yoga, and etc. I participate in the National Beauty Pageant Beauty Muslimah Indonesia 2024. And I was awarded as the best talent of Jakarta province. Okay, maybe this is enough for this video about story of my life. I really hope that those watch until the end like my pronunciation. Thank you for watching. Bye!